Many, many times I've tried to answer the question for you from a realtor's perspective. Should you wait? Hey, I'm Bill Stevenson from Spotlight Realty. Alex Pollard of OriginPoint Mortgage going to talk a little bit about mortgage rates, what the future of mortgage rates might be, although, nobody knows the future. But he's also going to talk about how much it costs you to wait for mortgage rates to come down.
What we forget to factor in a lot of times is the appreciation that you lose on a home. So, for instance, if we are waiting to purchase a home a year from now, assuming that we might get a 1% dip in interest rates, I cannot predict the future. I think if we look at a lot of like MBS and the NAR and a few things like that, we are expecting interest rates to decline. Some are more aggressive than others. So I think if I had to guess, I would see us in the low sixes, maybe.
Okay. What happens if interest rates do come down by a point? Do people benefit by waiting for that interest rate reduction?
No, not at all. So even when you factor in the monthly savings from the interest rate reduction, and if you factor in the cost of refinancing, you're still leaving a lot of money on the table. And at the average sales price around here, in 1 year of waiting will cost you somewhere in the neighborhood of $20,000 to $30,000 in appreciation gain.
Okay, so the idea is that what you save and waiting for interest rates to come down is washed because you didn't buy soon enough and you didn't get the appreciation gain. Not only is it a wash, you actually lose money, right?
Not only do you lose money, you're also going to be bringing more money to the table in a year because the price has gone up and
that's
the
another
percentage
thing.
of your down payment has
That's another thing. So not only have the interest rates may have come down, but
our price is going to go up.
Absolutely. They almost always do. Well, the forecast is by the experts is anywhere between 0.6% and 5.5% price reduction. That's nationwide. That's not just in this area. In this area, I would predict we'd be on the high end of that, right? You're really sacrificing a lot of appreciation by not buying at the higher interest rate. And by the way, what happens to home prices when interest rates come down?
They go up.
That's right. Because affordability is a function of both of those things, price and the cost of financing. And if homes get more affordable because prices come down, then because mortgage rates come down, the prices will very naturally come up because there are how many million more people in the market?
5 million for
5 million more people in the market for every 1% reduction in interest rates. So I'm not saying that now is the right time for you to buy. I'm not saying now is the right time for you to sell. I am saying if you are waiting so that interest rates come down, you're leaving money on the table. I'm Bill Stevenson. That's Alex Pollard. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Long-term prices always go up. How many times do I have to tell you people that? Anyway.